Staying informed about updates from the Attorney General's office is crucial for anyone preparing for law enforcement exams. These updates provide valuable insights into current legal issues, policy changes, and law enforcement priorities. In New Jersey, recent developments concerning immigration enforcement, police training, and the 10th Amendment have significant implications for law enforcement professionals. This essay will delve into these critical updates, providing a comprehensive overview of the key issues and their relevance to law enforcement exams. The United States Attorney's Office has launched a federal investigation into New Jersey's immigration enforcement policy, specifically targeting the Immigrant Trust Directive. This directive, implemented by the state, limits the extent to which local law enforcement agencies can cooperate with federal immigration authorities. The investigation, announced in April 2025 by United States Attorney Alina Habba, has sparked controversy and raised questions about the balance between state and federal authority in immigration matters. New Jersey Attorney General Matt Platkin has defended the policy, asserting its legality and emphasizing that it does not impede cooperation with federal agencies on criminal matters. The core of the Immigrant Trust Directive rests on the principle of fostering trust between law enforcement and immigrant communities. By limiting entanglement with federal immigration enforcement, the directive aims to encourage immigrants to report crimes and cooperate with local police without fear of deportation. Proponents argue that this approach enhances public safety by ensuring that all residents, regardless of immigration status, feel safe interacting with law enforcement. Central to New Jersey's legal position in the face of federal scrutiny is the 10th Amendment to the United States Constitution. This amendment reserves powers not specifically delegated to the federal government to the states. Legal experts contend that the 10th Amendment, along with Supreme Court precedents like Prince v. United States, supports New Jersey's right to establish its own policies regarding cooperation with federal immigration enforcement. This legal argument hinges on the anti-commandeering doctrine, a principle derived from the 10th Amendment, which prevents the federal government from compelling states to enforce federal law. Essentially, the doctrine prohibits the federal government from dictating how states should utilize their resources or direct their law enforcement personnel. In the context of immigration enforcement, the anti-commandeering doctrine suggests that the federal government cannot force states to act as an arm of federal immigration agencies. Several key figures play pivotal roles in the unfolding legal drama surrounding New Jersey's immigration policy and police training practices. Matt Platkin, the New Jersey Attorney General, has emerged as a staunch defender of the Immigrant Trust Directive, maintaining its consistency with state and federal law. On the other side of the issue is Alina Habba, the U.S. Attorney appointed in March 2025, who initiated the federal investigation into New Jersey's immigration enforcement approach. Habba, known for her previous role as a legal counsel for former President Donald Trump, has raised concerns about the directive's impact on federal immigration enforcement efforts. Her investigation signals a potential clash between state and federal priorities on immigration matters. The outcome of this investigation could have far-reaching consequences for immigration enforcement policies in New Jersey and beyond. New Jersey has faced controversy over police training, especially with the private street cop training program. The state comptroller's reports exposed serious flaws and a lack of oversight in the program. In response, Attorney General Platkin ordered retraining for officers who attended the 2021 conference. Over 240 officers completed retraining as the state pushes for stronger oversight of private police training. Understanding the sequence of events is key to grasping New Jersey's recent legal developments. The timeline below highlights major moments, from the OSC's initial report on street cop training to the federal investigation announcement. Attorney General Platkin reaffirmed support for law enforcement policies while the OSC raised concerns about street cop training. By March 2024, over 240 officers completed retraining, and street cop training was banned in New Jersey. In April 2025, a federal investigation into the Immigrant Trust Directive was announced, setting the stage for a legal showdown. This evolving timeline underscores the importance of staying informed on legal changes in New Jersey.